Hello guys, good morning. This is
Not morning, it's afternoon.
afternoon, maayong tanghali sa inyong tanan. This is the saging na minamatamis.
Yeah.
And then this one is papaya na fruit salad. O kung gusto mo magkain ice cream like yummy. And this one is garbanzos and alagbati and the fish pinarito and my pipino and ginataan. And you get out that one, be, please. That one. And inununan, guys. Thank you for watching.
Babu.
Babu. Sayonara. Kabalo na siya sa akong top tip.
No, he's a TikTok.
And the rice of ate. Are you done to it?
Yes, I'm done to eat.
Okay, boss.
You're the boss.
Boss amo.
My boss.
Don't waste it the ahang kaya will. Lana!
They're fighting.
No fighting! Please, Bruna! Don't want to cook. Kaalame. Oh, diba? Food is life, guys. Thank you for watching.